Dr. XYGLO, where the streetlights end, in a pool house sauna that needed a mend. Shutters nailed shut, lawn half dead, the chimney puffed green smoke instead. Locals were paid to ignore the smoke from his vents and the screams from the floor. He mapped DNA like a subway chart and kept mutant frogs in a shopping cart. A mob marched down his street, they'd had enough of this freak. They cut the power and broke the windows, disturbing something God only knows. Keep your prayers, keep your pitchfork crew, leave me alone, I've got work to do. Boom! A fissure split the street, out came goblins with blistered feet, pot-bellied fiends with knives and flame, wreaking pure havoc, this is no game. They looted shops, they bit old men, they turned church into a goblin den. But Dr. XYGLO cracked a grin so wide, time for some science side. He pulled a lever, bookshelf spun. Get in, we're not done. He geared up fast, no time to beg, strapped a venomous squid to his cyber leg. He brewed a toxin from moldy jam, injected a rat with a slice of ham. His voice was calm, but his eyes went red. Let's make these green bastards dead. Goggles down, gloves on tight, tight, tight. Let's burn some goblins tonight. Goggles down, gloves on tight, tight, tight. Let's burn some goblins tonight. Let's burn some goblins tonight. Goblins down, down. Fungi spores that barked and screamed. A hydra built from sour cream. Goblins dancing a death ballet while a rabid llama cleared the way. Goblins charge and sink and flow, get smacked with a bat made of GMO. Panic scrambled, they cursed and ran, carrying socks in a frying pan. Don't call him crazy, call him prepared. He's got fungus bombs and a snake that's snared. You come for his town, you better bring more than 10,000 gut goblins bursting through the floor. He's broke the laws of God and man to barbecue a goblin clan with mutant ducks and beetle spray. Drove their stinking butts away. Goggles down, gloves on tight, tight, tight. Let's burn some goblins tonight. Goggles down, gloves on tight, tight, tight. Let's burn some